What if I told you that 82% of cars never make it past the 150,000-mile mark? Most people accept this as the natural death of a vehicle, yet mine blasted past 500,000 miles without a single engine rebuild. And no, it wasn't just luck. The real killers of modern engines aren't age or mileage, they are the hidden secrets and planned obsolescence that the auto industry hopes you never discover. Today, we're tearing down that wall of silence. I'm revealing 17 brutally honest, data-backed, and mechanic-approved longevity hacks that can push your car past the 700,000-mile mark while running smooth, strong, and far more reliably than the manufacturers ever intended. If you were tired of the cycle of buy, drive, break, repeat, stay with me. And whatever you do, don't miss habit number 5. It is the specific habit that prevents the single most expensive mechanical failure in your entire car. Let's dive in. Trick 17. The Smart 3K Oil Rule. Most drivers trust the 10,000-mile oil change interval printed in the owner's manual. But let's be honest, those numbers are designed for marketing low maintenance and ideal laboratory conditions, not real-world driving. Engines don't wear out because they get old. They wear out because dirty, broken-down oil stops protecting metal parts long before that 10,000-mile mark. Independent studies from AAA found that extended oil intervals can increase internal wear by up to 40%, especially in cars that take short trips or sit in traffic. If you want a 500,000-mile engine, the rule is simple: fresh oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. In hot climates like Arizona, a thicker oil, like 5W30, handles heat better. In freezing regions like Canada, a thinner weight, like 0W20, flows faster on startup to prevent dry friction. Combine high-quality synthetic oil with a shorter cycle and a new filter every time. This is your single most effective barrier against timing chain wear and bearing scoring. Trick 16. The gearbox lifesaver routine. Most drivers ignore their transmission fluid until the car starts jerking or slipping. By then, the damage is done. The industry myth of lifetime fluid usually means the fluid lasts until the warranty ends, not until the car hits 300,000 miles. Heat is the silent killer here. Automatic transmissions operate between 175 degrees Fahrenheit and 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Every 20 degrees increase above that range cuts the fluid's lifespan in half. Over 60% of transmission failures are caused by overheated, broken-down fluid. Replace your ATF every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. And a pro tip: if your transmission has been neglected for years, never do a power flush. Stick to slow, steady drain and fills to avoid shocking the system with high pressure. Trick 15. The silent fuel system keeper. Topping off your gas tank after the pump clicks feels like a small win, but it's a massive mistake. Your car has an evap system designed to capture fuel vapors, not liquid. When you force extra gas in, it floods the charcoal canister. This causes the charcoal to break apart, sending particles into your lines and valves. This leads to rough idling and repair bills ranging from $400 to $1,200. When the pump clicks, stop. Let the system breathe. Trick 14. The engine mount death test. Your engine shouldn't shake like it's trying to escape. Worn engine mounts contribute to 20% of driveline stress failures. A $150 mount fix today prevents a $1,000 disaster tomorrow, including damaged axles and cracked exhaust pipes. Here is the death test. Start the car. Keep your foot firmly on the brake and shift from park to drive, then reverse. If the engine bucks forward or the cabin vibrates harshly, your mounts are shot. Replace them early to keep your drivetrain aligned and your transmission shock-free. Trick 13. The smart warm-up routine. Stop idling your car for 10 minutes every morning. Modern engines aren't like 1980s carburetors. Long idling washes excess fuel down the cylinder walls, diluting your oil and accelerating wear by up to 2/3. The smart way: give the engine 20 to 30 seconds for the oil pressure to stabilize, then drive gently. Driving warms the engine 40% faster than idling, reducing friction and improving combustion. Trick 12. Coolant Truth Check. Overheating isn't random. Coolant eventually turns acidic and eats aluminum components from the inside out. Neglected coolant increases head gasket failure risk by 40%. Every 30,000 miles, do a drain test. If the fluid isn't bright and clear, flush the system. Stay ahead of the rust and you'll never see steam pouring from your hood. Trick 11. Fuel that fights back. Cheap fuel ages an engine. Low detergent gas leaves carbon deposits on your injectors and valves. Tests show that non-top-tier fuel builds up 19 times more carbon in just 4,000 miles. Use top-tier certified gasoline and a high-quality injector cleaner every few thousand miles. It keeps the spray pattern sharp and the combustion chamber cool. Trick 10. The Shift Smart Ritual. Your gearbox is glass. Treat it that way. Slamming into reverse or shifting into park while rolling sends shock loads through the transmission. AMCO reports that improper shifting causes 40% of early transmission failures. Come to a complete stop, pause for 1 second, and then shift. This 1-second routine saves your synchros and clutch backs for the long haul. Trick 9. Carbon Clean Revival. In gasoline direct injection, or GDI engines, intake valves never get washed by fuel. By 50,000 miles, they can be choked with carbon, losing 10% of their efficiency. Perform a carbon cleaning, like walnut blasting or chemical induction, every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. It lets your engine breathe like it's brand new. Trick 8. Parking Power Protector. Throwing your car into park on a hill without the handbrake puts the entire weight of the vehicle on a tiny metal pin called the parking pawl. When this fails, it's a $1,500 repair. Always engage the handbrake first, let the car settle, then shift into park. This transfers the stress to the brakes where it belongs. Trick 7. Power Line Protection. 50% of mystery electrical problems are just bad grounds. Corrosion on your battery cables triggers ECU glitches and sensor failures. Clean your terminals with a wire brush every oil change and apply dielectric grease. It protects your $600 alternator and keeps your voltage stable. Trick 6. Throttle Reset Magic. Is your car feeling lazy? It might just be software confusion. Modern cars learn your habits, and sometimes they learn bad ones. You can often fix a rough idle or delayed throttle with a simple reset. Turn the key to on, engine off, press the gas pedal for 10 seconds, turn it off, then restart. It forces the car to relearn the correct idle position. Magic for $0. Trick 5. Coast like a pro. Here it is, the habit that prevents the most expensive repairs. Stop driving right up to a red light and slamming the brakes. This spikes rotor temperatures above 500 degrees F, causing warping and glazing. Drivers who brake late replace pads 40% sooner. Lift off the gas 5 to 10 seconds earlier. This engine braking keeps your rotors cool and doubles the life of your braking system. Trick 4. Fuel Filter Test. A fuel filter is small, but can choke an engine. If your car hesitates during hard acceleration, your filter is likely restricted. A $30 filter protects a $1,000 fuel pump. Replace it every 30,000 miles to keep the fuel flowing freely. Trick 3. Life-saving brake fluid flush. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It drinks moisture from the air. Within 2 years, that moisture can lower your boiling point by half, leading to brake fade and ABS pump failure. Flush your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years to keep your stopping power sharp and your ABS system rust-free. Trick 2. The power of quality plugs. Cheap spark plugs are a bad bargain. Worn plugs reduce efficiency by 30% and can overheat your catalytic converter, one of the most expensive parts to replace. Stick to OEM-grade iridium plugs. They ensure a crisp combustion and protect your coils. Trick 1. The quarter tank rule. Your fuel pump uses gasoline as a coolant. When you run below a quarter tank, the pump stays exposed to air, runs 40 degrees F hotter, and fails 30% faster. Keep the tank above a quarter to keep the pump submerged, cool, and debris-free. It's a zero-cost habit that protects a $1,200 part. There you have it, the 17 habits that push ordinary cars into the 500,000-mile club. These aren't just suggestions, they are the mechanical laws of longevity. If you found even one tip that can save your wallet, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below with your current mileage. I want to see who's leading the pack. And before you go, don't miss our next video on the fatal engine oil mistakes that destroy reliability. Keep driving, keep maintaining, and I'll see you in the next one.